Hi everyone, so I'm making this video to show you how to do your Magic School With project if you are still working on it over break. I'm going to start grading the projects for people who have turned in, but if you need this break to keep working, then this is how you will do that, okay? So first step in our project is we are going to go to this assignment called Magic School Bus Project Notes, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4 from the top. Okay, so these are your own copy of slides you can use to take notes on this website that is linked in the assignment. So first thing I'm going to do is pull up my notes. It looks like this. And we have the two places we took notes on together as a class. So we took notes on Fort Snelling and Pike Island. So now what I'm going to do is I have to find two places to research on my own from the website that we've been using as a class to research different places in Minneapolis and St. Paul that are sacred to Dakota people. And this website is called Bdote Memory Map, and they have lots of different places to choose from. So let's say, for example, I want to learn about Minnehaha Falls. So I click on the Minnehaha Falls button, and I want you to read what this says and see if you can find, one, why this place is sacred or important to Dakota people, and then 3 facts about this place. Okay, so you're going to read this paragraph and see what you learn. For each fact that you think is important, you are going to go back to your notes and you're going to add a new slide by clicking this button at the top. You're going to tell me the place you picked, so we are saying Minnehaha Falls, and you're going to tell me the 3 facts by going to your bullet points and writing those 3 facts like this, okay? So when I have 3 facts written, I'm just going to go back up to Fort Snelling to show you what it should look like. So we have 4 facts. We have 1, why this place is sacred to Dakota, and then 3 other interesting facts or important historical facts. When I have all of those, so 4 bullet points altogether, I want you to go back to Google Classroom, and now you're going to turn it into a paragraph for our TV episode. So we already performed our TV episode, but I still want you to write the 2 paragraphs so that I can grade you on your work. And so what you're going to do is you have 2 options. You could just start writing by filling in the blanks with what you remember about what you took notes on. Or if it's easier for you, you can select all of this writing. You're going to press Edit, Copy. Then you're going to go back to your notes. And you're going to go to the right side of the page and press Edit, Paste. So now you have the template next to your notes. And since the Google Doc was double spaced, we're going to have to fix the spacing so that it all fits on this page. So to do that, I just highlight it and then I go to line spacing and I'm going to press single space. So now it all fits on this page. So first thing you're going to do is choose a character. This person could be you, or it could be someone you make up. So I pretended to be Miss Frizzle. So I said, hello, my name is Miss Frizzle, and I'm going to teach you about the site we are visiting, which is called, now the place, this is going to be whichever place you picked. For the example, I chose Fort Snelling. Okay, so I'm going to delete where it says insert name of place and fill it in with my own information. So Fort Snelling. This place is important to the Dakota people because I look back at my notes and I see the first bullet point says this place is sacred to Dakota people because Bdote is where creation took place. Okay, Bdote is where the Mississippi and Minnesota River meet together. So this is where they believe the earth started. So I'm going to write that in my notes by just looking, or I'm going to write it in my paragraph by looking at my notes. Bdote is where creation took place. The next thing I'm going to read, it says, it is also, and then it says to insert important or interesting fact. I look back at my notes and I see it became an army fort in 1805. So I'm going to delete some of these words so that it makes more sense when I write it myself. So I'm going to say it became an army fort Something else you should know about it is that, and then I insert my third fact there, and then my last fact is going to go where it says insert last fact, okay? The last sentence is, I hope you enjoyed learning about this sacred place. I'm going to write Fort Snelling for my conclusion sentence, okay? For your second place, you're going to follow this exact same process of the steps. So first thing you're going to do is go to the map, choose another place to research and learn about. Once you have learned why it's sacred and 3 important facts, you go to your notes. You're going to take those notes there, and then you can copy and paste the paragraph next to it, so it's really easy to write your paragraph with your notes right there, okay? If you ever have any questions or you're confused about what to do, please email me over break. I can totally help you out. We can find a time to meet if you want to work on it. And I hope you all have a great break. Bye.